Hello, my name is Rahyanak Naut 1. My stand number is A3202000154 from Argumentative Speaking Class F. I am as a government site or proposition site. Today's motion is this House believes that anti-corruption subject should be inserted in the curriculum. I agree with the statement above because it is a very important subject if it can be applied in the school or college curriculum. These efforts can minimize corruption cases that occur in Indonesia or in the surrounding environment. Why do I agree? The reason is that anti-corruption education is very important and must be given from an early age. One of them is by including anti-corruption education subjects in schools and courses in university. Anti-corruption education will make students more sensitive to corruption. So far, many officials and businessmen consider corruption commonplace in various forms, such as gratuities, bribes, conflicts of interest, and abuse of authority. The active role of the world of education here from students is expected to be more focused on efforts to prevent corruption from an early age by participating in building a culture of anti-corruption in society. Students and college students are expected to act as an agent of change and the driving force of anti-corruption movement in society. To be able to play an active role, it is necessary to be equipped with sufficient knowledge about the in and out of corruption and its eradication. Knowledge important, students and college students must be able to understand and apply anti-corruption value in daily life. The leader of KPK, Bambang Wijoyanto, said the world of education from the lowest level to higher education become one of the KPK focus in the context of eradicating corruption. As a first step to realizing an anti-corruption curriculum in schools, he said the KPK has compiled an anti-corruption education module in collaboration with the Ministry of National Education and Culture or Kemendikbud to build national integrity. In addition, one method that can be done is to promote anti-corruption education. For educational institutions, one way that can be done is by campaigning and promote anti-corruption campaign and formulate and implement anti-corruption education curriculum. The urgency to organize and continue to develop an anti-corruption education curriculum is also based on the decree of the Directorate General of Higher Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia number 106 ET 2012 date 30 July 2012, which requires university to implement anti-corruption education. This is one of the strategies and tips to involve public participation to reduce the corruption index in Indonesia. As we all know that corruption is very disturbing the joints of the nation's life. Therefore, anti-corruption education is very important for everyone, especially students, and I totally agree if the subject of anti-corruption is included in the curriculum.